Did you know a doctor once performed brain surgery with an ice pick from his kitchen? In 1945, Walter Freeman changed lobotomy forever. He took a real ice pick and hammered it through patients' eye sockets into their brains. No operating room needed, just a mallet and an ice pick. Freeman called it a cure for mental illness. Families believed him. He even built a mobile van he called a lobotomobile. He drove across America, performing ice pick lobotomies in people's homes. One of his victims was Rosemary Kennedy, JFK's sister. Her family thought it would calm her down. Instead, she could barely speak for the rest of her life. Freeman performed over 3,500 procedures. Most patients became vegetables. Many died. He told families their loved ones would get better. He lied. In 1967, a patient died on his table. Hospitals finally banned him from operating, but the damage was done. Thousands of people had their minds destroyed by a man with an ice pick who called himself a healer.